Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download HubSpot SEO dashboard exports for reporting, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your HubSpot account. Navigate to the marketing dashboard. From the left sidebar, select Reports. Click on Dashboards to view your available dashboards. Locate the SEO dashboard you wish to export. Once you find the desired dashboard, click on its name to open it. In the top right corner, look for that Actions drop-down menu. Click on Actions to reveal the available options. Select Export Dashboard from the drop-down list. You will then be prompted to choose your export format. Options typically include CSV or Excel. Select your preferred format for exporting. If prompted, choose the specific date range for the data you want to include. After confirming your selections, click on the Export button. Wait for a few moments while HubSpot processes your request. You will receive a notification once the export is ready. Check your HubSpot notifications or your email for the export link. Click on the link provided to download your dashboard export. Save the file to your preferred location on your device. Open the exported file to verify that the data is accurate and complete. You are now ready to use this data for your reporting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.